shores of Vijayawada, aka Bejawada. Today it has been raining too much in Vijayawada, causing floods. There is a flood. Ammadi! Here is a better look. As you guys can see, my favorite uncle is being wet. My favorite uncle is being wet, but there is a big flood. Subscribe if you want to see tomorrow news, aka Bhargava News. Dun, 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 dun.